Hey guys, Tim Coates here with Adonis Automotive Protection. Wanted to show you a quick little walkthrough of a project we just finished up here. And of course, it's a Tesla. You know, we don't do many of these, just kidding. We do a lot of Teslas nowadays, especially the Model 3s. This got our signature clear bra installation fully custom. The main difference between this and, let's say, a pre-cut, which does do a good job of protecting the finish, but, you know, especially on a white car, you have a lot more seams, a lot more exposed edges, whereas our custom install is completely wrapped. So everything, including the front bumper, this is all done in one piece into the full recess there. There's no seams or cutouts. If you had a pre-cut, you'd have a pretty big line all the way across here and also down here, but that's all one piece. It's even wrapped underneath the headlights and around all the edges. We removed the front badge to wrap underneath. So the final result, it's actually really hard to tell that it's fully wrapped. We even go as far as wrapping the edge into the fender there without having to remove bumpers. We wrap around the cameras here without having to remove them. We even wrap inside this edge and around all the corners. You see the corners are all capped. Mirrors are also fully wrapped. And we did the full rear bumper in this, and of course we did it in a custom one piece. The pre-cut, you would also have another seam that ran all along here, and especially on a white car you would see it collect dust and dirt over time, whereas this one you do not have to worry about that. And then once we completed the clear bra, everything was topped with our ceramic coating, which gives the finish a really nice shine, especially for white. It really brings out the color and all the metallic flake, but also helps protect the clear bra against decontamination, discoloring, and everything else. Makes maintenance super easy. So thanks for watching, guys. Just wanted to show you a quick finish of the final product here.